Here's how to contact EA customer support. First, open an internet browser and search for EA Sports. Press enter and select the official EA website from the results. Once you're on EA.com, click the question mark icon in the top right corner and select EA Help. Next, click Sign in the top right corner and select the Sign in option again. Enter your EA account details to log in. After signing in, hover over Help by topic and select EA Account. Scroll toward the bottom of the page until you find the option that says Still Having Issues. Contact us. Click this option to continue. Here, an AI agent will pop up. Now, you just need to type, "I want to contact a live agent." After that, it will ask you a few questions about your issue. Simply describe the problem you're experiencing. For example, if I type link EA account, it will ask which game you're having an issue with. Just select or enter the name of your game. Then, it will ask you to select your platform. Go ahead and enter the name of your platform. After some time, you'll be taken to this page. Now, scroll down and you'll see a Chat with Us button. Select this option to open a live chat with an EA support representative. Keep in mind that live chat may only be available during EA's support hours. If you don't see the chat option, it may be because support is currently unavailable. When the chat option is available, enter your message in the chat box and explain your issue directly to the EA support team. And that's it. That's all for this video. Thanks.